What's up, YouTube? This is True Kings Reps from KickzNote.net, showing you guys the Jordan 3s, white cement. These shoes are on point, first of all. No complaints about them. The tongue is really perfect now, as you can see with that stitching. It has those holes on the tongue. You can barely see it. Sorry about that. Stitching is really good. Also, the elephant print is on point, as you can see. The front toe, bottom is perfect. Painting is really good. No complaints about the painting. Also, the bubbles, as you can see, inside is really perfect, centered. Also, the jump man from the back is really centered. You can see the US made. I really like these shoes. These shoes are perfect. Leather is really good. I will be giving these shoes away. In order to win these shoes, you have to comment, subscribe my channel, and subscribe to Angelina, which I will be posting her. She's the original owner of KickzNote.com. I will be posting her link, and I will be posting the link where you can get these shoes from. These shoes are 9.5. I will be giving these away. So comment, rate, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be doing more reviews. And as you can see, these shoes are really perfect. So, if you'd like to win these shoes, comment, rate, and subscribe, please. I will be doing more reviews and more giveaways. Thank you very much for your help, and hope to see the winner of these shoes. Thank you. See you guys.